Hello friends, I hope you all are safe in this pandemic. And now we are going to create one new project with PHP and MySQLi. The project title is Food Ordering System. We are going to make this is totally dynamic food ordering system, like if you're a restaurant and if you want to make website for your restaurant or for your project, then this is the best for you. I'm going to explain you which functionalities actually we are going to cover in this project. Basically, we are going to take two roles. One is user and second one is admin. In user side, we are going to cover these functionalities. User can see all food categories. It means this is totally dynamic categories. Admin can see all food. Admin can see the food category wise. So if user select any category, then user can see their categories data over there. User can search the food. User can do add to cart, view cart. User can do checkout. And the main thing is that we are going to use two type of checkout process. One is COD, means cash on delivery, and online payment like PayPal. User can pay using PayPal. User can do edit profile. So after login, user want to change their profile address, then user can change it. User can do change password. So if user want to change password, then user can do it. User can see their own given order. User can see their order status, and user can log out. So these functionalities we are going to cover on user side. Now I am going to explain you which functionalities we are going to create in admin side. This admin is basically known as restaurant owner, and you can say that admin also. Admin can log in. Admin can add, edit, delete new category. Admin can add, edit, delete food. Admin can see all registered users. Admin can block user. Admin can see all orders. Admin can update order status. Admin can generate bills in PDF format. And admin can log out. So you see, in this PHP project, basically we are going to cover everything in this project. So you can get exact idea that how you can make this type of food ordering system in PHP. Thank you.